Hey WMS, today I'd like to go over a few things with you. As we all know, it's winter and there's a few viruses going around. So, and the best way you can protect yourself is to wash your hands. We'll go over when to wash your hands and how to wash your hands.
Alright, first we're going to talk about when you should wash your hands. You should wash your hands before lunch and after lunch. And you should sanitize your hands before class and after class.
Alright, so let's go to the bathroom and let's just show you really quick the proper way to wash your hands.
First, what you guys want to do is get your hands wet. And then you guys want to apply the soap for 20 seconds. And then you guys want to rinse the soap off your hands. And then remember to dry your hands.
Now let's go ask the nurse what her thoughts are on washing your hands.
Alright, what's the importance of washing your hands?
Right now, washing your hands is more important than ever. We are trying to keep everybody in the building as healthy as possible, and washing your hands is one of the best ways you can do that. So using warm water and soap and for about 20 seconds is ideal, and you want to wash after the bathroom and multiple times throughout the day. Very important.